A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means gain. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for frog. Frog means mendak. G for goat. Goat means bakri. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for iron. Iron means istri. J for juice. Juice means juice. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. L for loin. Loin means sher. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange. Orange means Malta. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means Malka. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sparrow. Sparrow means chidiya. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. V for van. Van means van. W for watch. Watch means ghadi. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.